be having 24 races next year. That means 24 weekends away. If you don't take care about yourself, eventually you're gonna burn out mentally and physically, and many of you will also travel. So we're trying to be disciplined. I've had more than 200 nights in hotels, many hundreds of hours of flying, so you need to look after yourself.
The company on the whole tries to encourage people to take holiday, and if they are away from work, it tries not to bother them. So I think that's a sort of generically helpful thing.
We don't like the work pattern where people constantly work 80 or 90 or 100 hours. And that's not something that is sustainable long term, so we talk about it. Even if you're doing it with great enthusiasm. We try to encourage people to go home in the evenings, so the old pattern of come first, go last is not something that we want to see at all, because in our sport, with our rhythm, that's not sustainable, and you want to have healthy, happy individuals, and if you're constantly under pressure 24/7, it won't go.